I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your M3's oil level. Unlike many vehicles, your M3 relies entirely on an electronic sensor for oil measurement, meaning there is no physical dipstick to pull. This system provides precise readings, but it requires a specific procedure to ensure accuracy. We will walk through each step, from preparing your car to interpreting the display, so you can confidently maintain your engine's health. Before checking your oil, it is crucial to properly prepare your M3. First, drive the car for at least 10 kilometers or 6 miles to bring the engine oil to its full operating temperature. Next, park your vehicle on a perfectly level surface. Finally, let the engine idle for about 1 minute before proceeding to the next step. These preparations ensure the electronic sensor can provide the most accurate reading possible. Now, let's access the oil level display. Locate the BC button on the end of your turn signal stalk. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various dashboard displays until you see the oil level indicator. Once the oil display is visible, press and hold the BC button for about 2 seconds. This action will initiate the electronic oil level measurement, which typically takes around 1 minute to complete. Once the measurement is complete, the display will show your oil level. You will see a graphic bar, where the full range from minimum to maximum represents approximately 1 liter of oil. If the display indicates +1 quart or +1 liter, it means your oil is low. Add about half a liter of the correct engine oil, then repeat the measurement process. Remember, it is always better to add oil in small increments to avoid overfilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.